Hello everyone, my name is Shubham Santosh Pandit and today's video topic is JDK and JRE in Java. First of all, JDK and JRE are only the concepts in Java programming, and their differences are some of most popular questions. We don't use that concepts while programming, but if we want to be a Java developer, we must know all about these concepts. First of all, JDK. What is JDK? JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It is a software development environment used to develop a Java application. It is the platform specific software. That is, there are separate installers for Windows, Mac or Linux systems. Java developers can use it on any of their devices, any of their Windows, Mac IDs, Mac OS and Linux to code and run the Java program. It contains Java runtime environment and other development tools like interpreter, compiler, archiver and a document generator. We can possibly install more than one version of JDK on the same computer. Then what is JRE? Then this JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. It is implementation of Java Variable Machine, means Java Virtual Machine, means JVM, and it is specifically designed to provide an environment to execute the Java program. It is also platform dependent like JDK. It consists of JVM, Java binaries and other classes for the smooth execution of program. It doesn't contain any development tool like compiler, debugger, etc. If we only want to execute the program, we just need to install JRE, not JDK, since there is no development or compilation of code required. Then some fact about JDK and JRE we are going to discuss. First of all, what is the JDK? JDK means Java Development Kit, and it is used to develop the Java applications. JDK also contains numerous development tools like compiler, debugger, etc. Main function of JDK is it is used to execution of the code, and its main functionality like development. And JDK is mainly dependent on platform basis. The various types of tools are used in JDK. Since JDK is responsible for the development purpose, therefore it contains tools which are required for development and debugging purpose. While implementing JDK, it uses JRE and other development tools which are necessary for implementation of program. Then while talking about JRE means Java Runtime Environment. It is the implementation of Java Virtual Machines, means JVM, and it is specially designed to execute the program, Java program. It is mainly used for creating the environment like execution of codes in Java. And also JRE is also platform oriented as discussed in JDK. It is same as like JDK, but the types of tools used are in the JRE is not responsible for development purpose, so it doesn't contain tools like compiler and debugger, etc. Instead, it contains class libraries and supporting files required for the purpose of the execution of program. And while implementing, JRE uses JVM and other class libraries which are necessary for running of the program. So that's all about JDK and JRE.